everything. I mean, we are independent. Bait on here. It's called tobacco bait.
Tobacco bait.
Yeah, there's nobody in.
Wow.
It's just a minute from your hotel. Your hotel's right around the corner. You probably see people over the top taking pictures.
So we just got here. This is our room. It's a suite. We got a little tub here. A full mirror. We love that. And then the bedroom. And then this is our view with a balcony. Oh, this is so cute. You happy?
I am happy.
Ah, y'all are so gorgeous. Hey guys, so we came to this restaurant. Hello. What is it called? White Horse. And it's by the waterside. But yeah. We got our food. Tristan, a burger.
Of course.
But I got a buffalo chicken pizza. Uh-oh, it's eating the tiny ones. Hello. You having fun? What's your best thing so far?
The water.
Oh. Okay. The water is like blue, but it's not blue. You know what I'm saying? But this is where we ate earlier. And now we're just gonna walk back to our resort. On our way to the resort. So it's about like a 10-minute walk, like downtown, and it's not bad. The pizza was delicious. We met a lady named Juju, and she was a Filipina girl. Very sweet. But run! Hey y'all, so we are just walking, exploring. So, yeah.
No one over there.
You think we should go? Okay. Hello, handsome thing.
Hello.
We found a little secret spot here, you guys. It's very cute. It's very calm.
That one's super blue. That one's orange.
See them? Oh my God, that one to the left.
The orange one's to the right. The blue one's to the right. They've kind of rotated now.
I'm on top of the world. Are you having fun?
I am.
We're just looking at fish down there. It's gorgeous.
Just right there.
Y'all, do y'all see this? It's a chicken. Oh, they're behind the tree now. But they guys, babies with it. But that's cute. Good morning. So we just got our breakfast. Tristan got some waffle and I got an omelet wrapped with potatoes with the view. Hey you guys, so it's your girl Kate here, and Tristan and I, we are in a different island today. We are in Bermuda, and it is definitely very peaceful, very quiet. Definitely just a very peaceful place, but we actually came off season, so there's not much going on because it's like the same weather as in South Carolina. So it's actually pretty, it's not cold, but it's not like the best time to be here to be swimming in the ocean, but the pool is heated. So we have that. We're staying at St. Regis, and yesterday we landed. It was crazy because they didn't have a direct flight from Charleston to here, so we had to fly all the way to New York and then New York to here. So it was like a half-day flight thing. We walked downtown, which was like a 10-minute walk, grabbed some pizza, as you guys saw, and then this morning we just had breakfast here, and then we went out to swim and then walk by the beach, and now we just got ready and we're about to change and then head to like a different beach, but same area. So let's go.
You got a downgrade, you can get what I get. My chick can have what she want. And go ahead and start her any bag she want. I know you ain't never had a man like that. So buy you anything your heart desire like that. Yeah, I don't want your body, need your body. Long as you got me, you won't need nobody. You want it, I got it, go get it, I'll buy it too.
Alright guys, so this is how I organize the closet. So these are from Kaylee, so I am very excited to post them. We're just gonna do some photo shoots so we can post it on the gram, TikTok, and our social media stuff. And then my two cute shoes. All my bathing suit are in here, like the new ones from Kaylee and our classic black and white one, and then just some two-piece up there. So this is the fits, and then I have more here, but those are more like just clothes. These are from my collection, so I'm excited. Hey guys, so we've changed, and this is our fit. I'm wearing a two-piece set from Kaylee. It's a tube top and a pants, and they both are 100% cotton, so very comfortable and breathable.
Mine is Zara Tassat.
So yeah, we're gonna go down to the beach and we're just gonna take you guys with us. Hello, my man.
Hello, beautiful.
How are you?
Good.
What the? On our little daily walk, you guys. But, okay, funny story. So while packing, the last thing on my mind was to pack some sandals because I just bought these new ones, but I put them like under my racks, covered with clothes and stuff, in front also. So I'm actually wearing Tristan's slippers. They are extremely big because mine is like half the size of this, but we're making it work. Right, babe?
Exactly.
Yeah. This is like such a cute town, so like that's where we're staying at. But this is like the community side. This is the golf course, like part of it. But this is what the main like island looks like. It reminds of us Key West, but like because it's off season, there's just not much going on. So we're just walking everywhere, and now we're going to a different part of the beach. So interesting. Got this flower. Did you make sure there's no bug?
Yeah. Perfect.
Honolulu, baby. Still on the side of the road. Yo, look what we found. It's a little rooster. It's like Key West all over again, if you were to ask me. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's right there. Okay, there's another car coming. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so we made it to the little beach area. This is a restaurant, and right in front of it is the beach side. You want to go down there? Yeah, let's go down there. And look at this. It's gorgeous. We made it! It's so blue. We are on Tobacco Bay, and this is this beach. It's so pretty. But the water's still cold because it's off season again. So, can't really get in. I feel like we could, but it'd just be cold. But, right, babe?
Right.
Hello, handsome man. How are you? Good. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. We are on top of the world. Ew. What is this? It's Tristan. Hello. We found him in the midst of all this. Hello, mate. Come around. And what do we got ourselves over here? It's more rocks. Ah, there's Tristan. Be careful. Need help?
No.
Uh-oh, he's stuck. But y'all, we're just interested how these rocks even form like this. Was it like erosion? Like, I don't know. This is pretty cool though. What did you find? What is that?
Pretty cool shell.
Ew. Cute. Alright, y'all. We are climbing again. We're trying to go to the top to see what the view looks like from the top. Thank you, mate. Ooh, y'all. Look at this view. Was it worth it? Yes, on the top of the world. Wow. This is beautiful. But he's more beautiful. Hi, we are on top of the world. So we came from Tobacco Bay to up here. Got to do a little climbing, but we are here. Ah, Tristan scared me because he's like on the edge. But he'll be gone with the wind. And I'll just be here. But that's our resort. St. Regis there. And this is the beautiful island. The things we do for social media.
Better for you?
Yes, thank you. Y'all, I don't know if y'all see these fishes, but look, they're right there. Look, y'all see that? They are like so vibrant where we're like the camera is doing no justice.
They're rainbow
but, like,
here.
yeah. Cute. Run, run, run! Come on!
I'm gonna need the same type of video.
Okay. Come on. Oh my god. Look at them. There's the blue one just came over here. Tristan being Tristan. He went down this path all the way around this rock to go down there to look at the fish, but they all disappear because they can sense him. But most of them are still here. They're just out. The very dark one is called Midnight Blue. The other one I don't remember what they're called, but these are some pretty fish.
Baby. Be recording, come on.
It's a cave?
And there's chairs there.
That's a man cave there. Now we know where we can hide out at. We are still out here just exploring. The sun is finally out, you guys, and especially this side. And it feels so nice. We haven't seen the sun since we got here just because it's been cloudy. But she's out and she is hot and we love it. But still exploring out here. And we found a cave, which Tristan did. But hey mate, what are you doing there?
Looking at fish.
Yeah? What you looking at? More fishes right there. While he's looking at that, I'm looking at him. Come on. You getting itchy? Oh no. We made it to the bottom. Is it cold?
Honestly, it feels kind of nice.
Yeah, because we've been running around. So we order room service. And it's here. And they got Tabasco.
They got you
Woo
Tabasco.
woo. All right, bon appetit, y'all. Fries. Other ones. Your burger. And then that should be the wings. Ah! Very delicious. All right, let's eat. This is our lunch. With the view again. You ready to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're like kind of starving, so. Hey y'all, so Tristan, we changed. This is his fit. And this is mine from Cave Lee. And we're just trying to catch the sun, take some pics, get some content in. But yeah, back to this pretty place. You guys, we are like soaked. We were we were just taking pictures and then all of a sudden it started pouring and we ran in it. I'm very surprised my mascara is not running. Look at that. But we made it back safely and we're just gonna change and then wait this out. Like it's so dark. Like that literally came out of nowhere. But hey guys, so we are downstairs at the bar. We went to get some drinks. Well, only me. I went to get some apple spritz. It's really good compared to the one in Charleston. But yeah. We just got our breakfast. Tristan is getting his. He got pancake today. I got the same thing yesterday because it was good. Plus the cafe latte. Ooh, yours look really good.
It smells good.
Wow, okay. Hello. Hello, mate. We're out here in the pool, in a hot tub actually. It's like, the weather's clearing up. It was like very dark earlier, but now it's turning light. It's very windy, I don't even know if you can hear me, but. Hey y'all, so it's us again. Today's the third day. We did the same thing yesterday, had breakfast in bed, went to the pool, came back and changed. And we're about to go explore a different part of
Bermuda.
Yeah, Bermuda. But we went to the other side and today we're gonna go the opposite side. But this is our fit. This dress is from Kaylee. It's called the Olivia's dress. I'm wearing my mango pumps. I'm probably gonna switch them into some flats, but okay, your turn.
Marana, Zara, the shoes of Zara, Tassat.
But yeah, that's our fit check, and we're gonna go ahead and head out. We are out here, and the sun is shining. We love it. This is our current view. Oh, it's so blue. We love it. But we're gonna go around this way to see what's around the corner. Tristan saw like on Google Map like part of a beach, so we're gonna try to go find us. So let's go. But it's like very pretty. You guys, do you see these goats? We're about to go check them out, but oh my gosh, they are so big. All right, let's go. Here they are, look. About to walk into the Fort Catherine now. It's like this thing, and yeah, let's go.
That's where our spin is.
With my 10-foot shoe. Whoa, don't slip now. Cutesy. Come on. More tunnels. Let's go. Yeah, careful. It's only made for tiny people. Oh my god, we're back here.
We're at the very top.
Ooh. We just got our breakfast. since it's warm outside today, we decided to eat outside on our balcony. You ready to eat?
I am.
Let's eat. Hey y'all, it's your girl Cade and Tristan. We're headed out to the beach. We just changed, got some content in, and so yeah, let's head to the beach. Hey y'all. So we made it back to the other, what's this?
Tobacco Bay.
Tobacco Bay. Here it is. And there are a couple people with us just because it is warmer today, but very nice. The water is so clear. I know you guys can see it. It is so pretty. Like, look how clear it is. And then show them the hills at the top.
What, over here?
Gorgeous.
Nobody's out here eating lions.
Ooh. Yeah, that's definitely. You better start swimming.
Right there.
Ooh, kind of, but. Oh my god, this one isn't afraid. It's coming toward me. No, it's coming toward the reef. Hello. Are you having fun? We're just chasing the fish. What are they called?
The parrotfish.
Parrotfish. It's like going under this rock here. There's like a coral there.
It's a blue parrotfish.
We don't have snorkeling things, so we can't really do much. But like, y'all, this is gorgeous. Alright, so we're still out here. It is beautiful. The water is getting kind of deeper now because I guess we're going like farther into the ocean, but the view is it's so gorgeous. I wish we could snorkel, but like we don't have the stuff to do it. So we're just kind of tiptoeing everywhere. There's Tristan. So, I mean, y'all can see the water. It is like, yeah, very cute. Well, there's Tristan again. You look so tan.
Yeah, thank you. There's a boat coming
Oh, I
right
see
there.
it. It's the green one right there. Yeah. Tristan is burnt. Look at them shoulders. They are red.
Come on.
Okay.
Come right here.
Alright, y'all. We're making a dive for it. I gotta. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch me step. Watch me step. Watch me step. Ow, just told my toe.
I go around this one. But look how pretty it is now that it's like the water's calm.
Isn't that pretty?
That was crazy.
We're just out here catching fishes, y'all. There's one right there. There's actually a lot right there too. They're actually like way bigger than what this camera is catching, but crazy. You see them?
Yeah, all those orange and green is over there.
Yeah. I'm just standing on this thing. Wow, we're just getting closer. Closer. Oh, look at those sniper fish.
Oh yeah, there is one right there. Huge.
Yo, do y'all see this? If that thing comes and attacks Tristan and us, yeah, we would be dead. Look what Tristan found for us. There are seashells. They're so cute. This one is turning like pink. I'll see it. There's like the design. It's quite pretty. The water's so clear. Oh no, I dropped one. Oh, hold on. I think I'm blocking the sunlight. Oh, that got like a cool design to it. We are at late lunch / dinner. We went back to White Horse because I just really wanted their barbecue pizza. So we're using it. A very long day. I feel like I'm a little burnt. Tristan is definitely burnt, but yeah, it's just finally sunny today. We got our food. Tristan again with the burger.
Do y'all by chance have tobacco?
We came down to the bar now, you guys. This is where it's at. We were just down there today, or actually over there. But here we are now. Tristan got a rum cake with ice cream. It's gonna go in for the dab. You gotta get some ice cream in it too. And let's see his little expression. Good?
Yeah.
Tristan, we're going to get the catch the sunset right now. We're rushing because of how fast it's going down. You excited?
Yeah.
We're trying to go all the way up there where the cliff is. So let's go. It's so pretty. We're back at Tobacco Bay now. It's right there. Super gorgeous. All right, let's go on to down. Here's a better view of our resort plus the moon. Tristan surrounded by the ocean side and our favorite beach right there. y'all, so it is our last day here in Bermuda. We just got done packing up. So our plan is we're just gonna go ahead and check out and then leave our stuff down there with them and then walk back to Tobacco Bay because our car is not here until 1:15. It's about like 10 right now. Checkout is at 11, so we're just trying to not do like a lot of back and forth. So we're just gonna do that, enjoy the afternoon there for a bit, and then head to the airport to go back to Charleston. But we're in our bathing suit. We're probably not gonna swim because we won't have anywhere to like wash off. So we're just probably gonna just chill there. But saying goodbye to one of our favorite restaurants. Bless you. We have like a whole tub right here, 2 mirror, we love that. The shower, the bathroom, the 2 closet, and the big room. This bed was so comfy, y'all. And then saying goodbye to this beautiful view every morning of the golf course and then the ocean side. And you can see Tobacco Bay over there. And then the cliff that we went to for sunset. It's been great. It's been great. I cannot get over this view. But yeah, this trip has been very relaxful, very, you know, just calming. One thing I would say is we definitely got a lot of content in for Kaylee's new drop for spring. So that was good. And just being able to relax. I think that was the most important thing. Apart from that, it is off season here in Bermuda. So like there's not much thing that we could have done like jet skiing, go on a boat ride, those kind of things. So it's just really grounded just to explore the area, learn about the culture, just walk around. It's really peaceful and really give you that vibe of tranquility. But so we are headed to Tobacco Bay now. We just checked out and gave our stuff to the
Front desk.
receptionist girl. Concierge girl. And we're walking to Tobacco Bay. It's about what, a 5-minute walk?
Yeah.
We're going to our favorite beach. But again, like we said, I forgot my sandals. So we both are just walking barefoot. So yeah. But look how cute it is, babe. That's just so calm. So we came back to this beach. The other one had too many like kids. I think it was like a school or something. So we just came to this one so that it's more quiet, more serene, and we can just enjoy time with each other. But really pretty stuff. There goes Tristan. Off to the Explorer he goes. He's freezing. Here comes my little Tristan the Explorer here. Living life up. Feels nice, huh?
Fucking cold.
Look at Tristan on top of the rocks again. I turn my head around for 3 seconds and he's up there. But y'all, I'm just taking in this view. It is beyond gorgeous. Literally, it's like nature plus just beautiful scenery both together. It's so pretty. The water is so clear compared to like Mexico where we've been. Mexico is more like that turquoise blue. This one is more like just very, very, very clear. It's the sand, but it's like clear and turquoise together. But Mexico is more like just straight turquoise and blue. But very, very gorgeous.